Samsung is about to drop some exciting new smartphones in their A series lineup, with the Galaxy A56, A36, and A26 rumored to be just around the corner. As these devices near their official release, there's a lot of chatter about what Samsung has in store for us. So what makes these phones stand out, and why should we be paying attention? Let's take a closer look at the details that have everyone talking. First off, the most recent leaks and certifications have given us a sneak peek into what these devices might offer. The Galaxy A56, A36, and A26 have appeared on the TUV Rheinland certification list, a strong signal that they're nearing an official launch. The most notable feature of these models seems to be the charging speeds. The Galaxy A56 and A36 are expected to support charging speeds of 10 volts and 4.5 amperes, which equals a maximum power output of 45 watts. The Galaxy A26, on the other hand, is expected to support 9 volts and 2.77 amperes, giving it a maximum charging speed of 25 watts. This focus on faster charging shows Samsung's dedication to providing users with a more efficient and convenient experience, which is becoming more essential as we rely on our smartphones more than ever. When it comes to timing, Samsung has a solid track record of releasing its A-series devices around the same time each year. With the Galaxy A55 and A35 being released in March last year, it's likely that the Galaxy A56 and A36 will be revealed soon. Samsung's A-series has always been popular because it offers premium features at a mid-range price, and the new devices are expected to continue that trend. The charging speeds are just one reason these new models have caught the eye of tech enthusiasts. In today's fast-paced world, quick charging is more than just a nice feature. It's practically a must-have. With a 45-watt charging on the Galaxy A56 and A36, users will be able to quickly recharge their devices, ensuring that they can stay connected throughout the day without constantly worrying about battery life. Even the Galaxy A26 with its 25-watt charging offers impressive speed, making it a solid option for budget-conscious buyers who still want fast charging capabilities. But charging speed isn't the only thing to be excited about. We can expect a range of other upgrades, including improved battery life, better camera features, and possibly a sleek new design. Samsung has always been great at balancing performance and affordability, and it looks like these new models will follow that same approach. Whether you're a budget-conscious buyer or someone looking for more premium features, the Galaxy A56, A36, and A26 seem to promise something for everyone. As for the timeline, if the certifications are any indication, we could see an official announcement in the next couple of months. The fact that these devices have appeared on certification lists suggests that Samsung is wrapping up the final stages of preparation, and the launch may be closer than we think. Samsung has a long-standing reputation for delivering great value with its A-series smartphones, and these upcoming devices are shaping up to continue that trend. With faster charging speeds, solid performance, and likely improvements in other areas like battery life and cameras, the Galaxy A56, A36, and A26 are poised to make a big impact in the smartphone market. If you're as excited as we are about these new devices and want to stay up to date with all the latest news, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video. Could the iPhone SE4 be Apple's best budget phone yet? With new images and leaks surfacing recently, this latest iteration of Apple's SE lineup seems poised to impress. The iPhone SE series has always offered an affordable gateway into the iPhone ecosystem, but this time around, it looks like Apple is making sure you don't have to compromise much to enjoy the iOS experience. The most noticeable change with the iPhone SE4 is the shift in design. No longer will users be stuck with the chunky bezels and physical home button that have defined previous SE models. Instead, the SE4 adopts the sleek, edge-to-edge display seen on more recent iPhones, like the iPhone 14. Gone is the outdated look, replaced by a modern design that includes the signature notch for the front camera. It's a welcome update, ensuring that budget-conscious users don't miss out on the trendy aesthetics of newer iPhone models. When it comes to the camera, Apple has decided to keep things simple with a single rear lens. While this might seem like a step back compared to other iPhones that offer dual cameras, it's a smart choice for the SE4's price point. The single camera is large and capable, offering a premium design without unnecessary features. While they lack some of the high-end photography options found in pricier models, it still performs well enough for everyday use. As for performance, the iPhone SE4 will feature 8 GB of RAM, ensuring it keeps up with the demands of modern applications and multitasking. This amount of RAM also ensures compatibility with Apple's latest software features like Apple Intelligence, which enhances the device's functionality. Despite being a budget device, the iPhone SE4 is no slouch when it comes to performance, allowing users to enjoy a seamless experience even with intensive apps. The build of the iPhone SE4 mirrors the iPhone 16 in many ways, though it's slightly bulkier in terms of thickness. Despite this minor difference, the SE4 is still sleek and comfortable to hold, offering a premium look and feel. Available in classic black and white colors, the phone's simple yet sophisticated design makes it appear much more expensive than it actually is. The design upgrade means that the SE4 no longer feels like a budget phone, making it a perfect choice for those who want an iPhone but don't want to spend a fortune. Now, the price of the iPhone SE4 is perhaps the most appealing part. Rumors suggest it will be priced around $500, making it an affordable option for anyone who wants to experience the iOS ecosystem without the high cost of flagship iPhone. It may not come with all the premium features like a dual camera setup or the ability to record spatial videos, but it offers enough for users who don't need every cutting-edge feature and just want a solid, reliable phone. Another significant benefit of buying an iPhone is the long-term software support. The iPhone SE4 will likely receive software updates for many years, just like the iPhone 16, which is expected to be supported for up to 7 years. This extended support means that even though the SE4 is a budget model, it will remain relevant and up-to-date with the latest features, security patches, and enhancements, ensuring that you're not left behind when it comes to iOS updates. The iPhone SE4 strikes the perfect balance between affordability and performance. It may not offer every high-end feature available on the latest iPhones, but it offers all the essentials at a price that's hard to beat. For those who want an affordable iPhone without compromising on style, performance, or long-term support, the SE4 looks like an excellent choice. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech updates. Samsung has once again made waves in the tech world with announcements that are turning heads everywhere. If you're a fan of groundbreaking technology, what's coming next from Samsung is sure to catch your attention. With the Galaxy S25 series and other cutting-edge innovations on the horizon, the company is setting the stage for a thrilling 2025. And if you want access to exclusive content, behind-the-scenes insights, and more, consider joining our membership. The link is in the description. One of the standout reveals is Samsung's answer to immersive technology, the Galaxy Extended Reality headset. This is no ordinary gadget. Developed in partnership with Google, the device integrates Android extended reality with artificial intelligence for a truly interactive experience. Early testers are already describing it as a game changer, with its advanced Gemini artificial intelligence offering real-time assistance for countless tasks. From providing suggestions to reacting instantly to your environment, the headset opens up new possibilities for users. Its design is lightweight and comfortable, with motion sensors and cameras enabling intuitive gesture controls. Expect even more details about this innovative headset at the upcoming Galaxy S25 Unpacked event. Samsung is also stepping up its game in smartphone innovation. The Galaxy S25 series is expected to be a bold leap forward, featuring Samsung's second-generation artificial intelligence technology. One highlight could be an enhanced virtual assistant, potentially delivering a smarter, more personalized experience for users. Rumors also suggest that Samsung plans to integrate magnetic cases, a move that could align with new charging technologies and accessories like power banks and wallets. These developments signal a strong commitment to creating a seamless ecosystem around